Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can allow access to the camera in the TikTok app on your Android. Subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes and write comments at the end of the video. So friends, let us get started with you. First of all, on your Android, you will need to open your phone settings. The easiest way to do this is to swipe down from the right side of the screen. Click on the gear, and you'll be taken to Settings. Here you'll need to scroll down a little bit to find the app log, or just an app, whatever you want to call it in the menu. When you open the app, you will need to find TikTok. To do that, you either scroll down to the bottom and look for TikTok, or you just type the word TikTok into the search box. And you find the app and you click on it. Then you click on Permission. Next is Camera. And here you have three options. You can either not give access and permission to the camera, or you can ask it every time. Or the third option, which I recommend everyone to activate, is the option to turn on the camera only at the moment when you will use this continuation of TikTok. And that's pretty much it. Once you enable that, you will allow the camera access to your TikTok on your Android. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.